Hi, Kevin here from the SNPJ. We're on the bus to Cleveland, Ohio, going to the Super Button Box Bash, sponsored by Circle 2. I'm here with Jeff Blastro. Puts this thing together. How many years have you been doing this?
This is our 30th year in a row. We've made all 30 so far. We're the only club to actually make all 30.
Very cool. Very cool. All right, well, I think we're about ready to board, so
ready.
See you in Cleveland.
What's in your bag?
My mouse.
Take Stan everywhere, anywhere.
That's all right.
Blend it in with your blush.
Hey, it's Kevin here from the SNPJ. We're in Cleveland. We're at the Super Button Box Bash, sponsored by Circle 2. I'm here with Joe Valencic. He is the president of the Cleveland Federation of Lodges. Joe, how you doing today?
Hi, Kevin. This is great. This is the biggest SNPJ event in the state of Ohio. We have 13 button box bands and 2 balls, non-stop music for 7 hours. It's really an incredible opportunity to hear button box music at its finest. It's the best showcase for groups all across America to come and meet and play.
Very cool. Well, we're having a good time here. I was on the bus from Western Pennsylvania. The Button Box group played earlier. And Joe, it's always good to see you. It's always good to see the people from Cleveland.
And we do this all for Circle Number 2, Slovenian Junior Chorus. It's their 30th attempt at the Button Box Bash. It's always been popular. We do as much as we can to support our SNPJ kids in the Cleveland area.
Very cool. You know what? Let's go have us a glass of Pivo.
Okay.
Hi, it's Kevin here. I'm here with Shirley Mancic Strong. She is the music director for Circle 2. Did I get that right? Yes. Very wonderful. Really enjoy it. Tell me a little bit about the kids that are playing here.
Well, we have a variety of ages. Probably right now from 3rd grade to just graduating from high school. And the common issue is that they all have a great love for music. And in fact, they're very involved in music in their own schools. So they have a connection to the Slovenian culture, and that's how they continue here and over. They very definitely enjoy the Slovenian folk songs. In fact, they usually indicate to me which are their favorites, and therefore should become part of the concert. That was the case this year.
Nice. Very cool.
And in addition to that, of course, they like music of all kinds. So this particular concert, we decided to tap into Disney world music and perform a live big medley, which they had a great deal of fun with.
Well, as usual, you do a wonderful job. SNPJ is very proud of what everybody does here in the Cleveland area.
50 years we've been on WELW Radio, SNPJ, one of the fine sponsors along with a whole roster of others, but we're coming your way Saturdays, WELW 1330 locally and to the world at 247pokeheaven.com, 12 noon till 3 p.m. A couple of good SNPJers are helping us now. Joe Valencic is doing the Slovenian section, and of course Jody Johnson, and Benny Buca. So we're having a wonderful time. We hope that we get an opportunity to tune us in.
Very cool. It's always a pleasure to see you, my friend. Kevin here, we're still at the Super Button Box Bash from Circle 2. I'm here with Kathleen Trebitz, and she has a wonderful guest with her. Tell us who he is.
This is Primo Panzarello, my brother's father-in-law. He's an Italian. He comes here every year. He loves the music, the food.
I love the music, love the food, love the people, love the company. And
Very cool.
His family is the best in the world.
Very cool.
And
Go ahead.
I was to say we thank you for coming out, Kevin. This is a tradition that's been going on for 30 years. We're trying to keep it going. Best polka music in Cleveland, Ohio is here at Rayer Hall. First Sunday of every April every year.
Nice. Well, it's always good that you all are doing this, and thank you for doing this for the kids. How you doing? Miss SNPJ 19, help me out. 93. She's working out here at the Circle 2's events. Very cool.
Doing my duty.
Stacy, how you doing?
Good. Having fun. Doing my job.
Very cool. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks for coming out. Right?
Thank you.
Doing it for the girls. Do you have
Kevin here, we're in Cleveland, Ohio. We're at the Circle 2 Button Box Bash. It's a great pleasure to be here with Cecilia Dogan. Cecilia, how you doing?
Hi Kevin, this is the 30th Super Button Box Bash. It was established to raise funds for the children of the Slovenian Junior Chorus of Circle number 2 SNPJ so they could go on tour to Slovenia in 1983. And 22 children did go, and a lot of them are some of the most active children in our society today. People like Joey Thompson, Christine Mihelic-Hibbs, the Samrata brothers. They were all part of the group that went to Slovenia in '83 when we started the Button Box Bash. The great thing is that 30 years later we have about 600 or 700 people here today. They got to see the children's chorus of today, and we have 13 button box groups that are playing for the benefit. Circle 2 started in 1938. It's the oldest Slovenian junior chorus, or the oldest children's Slovenian group in America. That's going to be 75 years old next year. And the original secretary, who was just a young girl in 1938, is still working for Circle 2 selling refreshment tickets today. Her name was Ann Chabul. Her married name is Ann Adams. And Ann Adams and everybody from Circle 2 has been working here. We have the Richard Tomsic family. Agnes Turk, who became the assistant circle director in 1955, is still working here today. And we just have a bunch of nice people. It's a family group because we have 3 generations, grandchildren, parents, and the grandparents. So 3 generations get together. They're working, singing, polka dancing together, and it's just a great experience that it's a family affair with a lot of nice friends here today.
Nice. So you do wonderful work for our kids in the Cleveland area, and we thank you.
Thank you, Kevin.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look, we got the gorgeous girls here in Cleveland, Ohio.
Dorothy is the best.
Dorothy is
She
cool
is
as
the
anything.
queen of the gorgeous.
And even though she's retiring, she told me, "You're not getting rid of me that easy."
That's right. She'll be around.
Yeah, you're not getting rid of me that
I'll be
easy.
here all these years. I'll be
Nice.
here for a long time.
Very cool. Kevin, we're going back up to the bus. I got Brian right behind me. We're leaving the Circle 2's extravaganza.